Welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet, or welcome if you're new. Let's dive into day number 10 of Junk Journal July, where today's prompt is thread. So let's get a good cup of iced coffee ready to get our creative juices flowing, and let's dive into today's art journal spread. Or let's dive into today's junk journal spread. Today was a bit of a hard day for myself. I needed some time to come up with an idea and to just take the time to edit the video. I feel like finally doing daily videos is kind of catching up to myself. I hope I can get back out of the slump at the moment very soon, hopefully tomorrow already. That's why today's video is a bit late. I hope you will enjoy the video anyways, and I hope your junk journal journey is going strong still, or you are just starting out and trying to catch up, or even if you want to start now and haven't junk journaled in this July until then, start now. Do the prompts that you want to and that you think are interesting or you have a concrete idea to, or just start on day 10, whatever. There is no right rule that makes it like you have to do every prompt for Junk Journal July. It's just the community coming together and sharing their different ideas and takes on those different prompts, and it's really nice to watch everyone else's videos and see all the lovely things and ideas everyone is coming up with on a daily basis. So don't get discouraged if you feel like you're falling behind. Just keep going and use the prompts that you like to create something. Or even if you are not into junk journaling at the moment, or you are absolutely never into junk journaling, just take your time and create something. In the essence, that's what I wanted to share with all of you in these daily videos and in all my videos in general. Just take your time, give your creativity space, and just create something. Don't put too much pressure on yourself for the outcome. Just take a piece of paper or your yarn or your craft material of choice and create something. May it be for 5 minutes or 10 or an hour, whatever. Just start somewhere and allow yourself to create and enjoy the passage of time. I hope you are all having a lovely day, and I hope you enjoyed spending some time in my junk journal. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy. And if you want to join me on this and many other creative adventures, hit the subscribe button down below. And then see you tomorrow.